Good morning, dear students. Today I'm going to make you revise of chapter 13, natural disasters. Okay, natural disaster is a major adverse, event caused by the natural processes of the earth, consisting of floods, hurricanes, tornadoes, volcanic eruptions, earthquakes, tsunamis, and other geologic processes. A natural disaster causes loss of life or property damage and leaves some economic damage afterwards, costing millions. And often human activities also make causes of natural disasters such as climate change and deforestation. It is the damage to humans and their property which counts most. Therefore, one can say disasters occur when hazards meet vulnerability. If a strong earthquake happens in uninhabited areas, it is usually not seen as a disaster or a loss. An adverse event will not rise to a level of a disaster if it occurs in an area without vulnerable population and in a vulnerable area, however, such as Nepal. During the 2015 earthquake, an earthquake can have disastrous consequences and leave lasting damage which can require years to repair. You remember that day in Nepal during the 2015 earthquake? Completely destroyed its consequences and leave lasting damage, which can require years to repair. Students, in your book already given the important points about natural disasters. Unexpected natural events that cause loss of life and property are called natural disasters. Earthquakes are vibrations caused in the earth and they cause huge loss of life and property both. Cyclones are violent sea storms and they generally occur in the coastal areas. When a large amount of water overflows on dry land, that is called flood, and floods occur because of heavy rainfall. Droughts occur due to lack of water or when there is no rainfall for a long time and they create shortage of food. When a volcanic burst, volcanic eruptions takes place and volcanic eruption cause immense pollution and landslides take place when soil and rocks move down a mountain slope and they take place because of rain or earthquakes. Then after practice session, you have to take the correct answer. 4 options are given here. In number 1, the place from where an earthquake originates is called epicenter, nucleus, seismic focus, or none of these. Seismic focus is correct answer. Number 2, the center of a cyclonic storm is called axis, eye, nose, and ear. Eye is correct answer. Number 3, floods generally occur during the winter season, monsoon season, summer season, and none of these. Monsoon season. Number 4, the ring of fire is shaped like a spear, triangle, square, and horseshoe. Horseshoe is correct answer. Number 5, generally landslides are caused because of drought, sunshine, rainfall, and clouds. Rainfall is correct answer. Then after fill in the blanks, dash are tremors or vibrations caused in the earth. Earthquake is correct answer. Cyclones are accompanied by torrential rains which cause flood. And number 3, flood makes sewage lines overflow. Then after in number 4, drought causes acute shortage of food and can lead to famine. Number 5, volcanic eruptions cause immense air pollution. Then after write true or false. In number 1, natural disasters are the blessings of nature. False. Number 2, strong earthquakes have intensity value of more than 5. True. Number 3, avoid going near the sea in times of cyclones. True. Number 4, in case of flood, move to the lower floors of the building. False. Number 5, rainwater harvesting is one way of preventing drought. True. Then after exercise E, match the followings. You have to match, but turn to crisscross, okay? In number 1, earthquake, Richter scale, cyclones, coastal regions. Number 3, flood, malaria. Number 4, magma, molten rocks. And number 5, landslides, disrupt traffic. Thank you, students. It's all for today.